United Launch Alliance, Delta IV rocket launch commemorates Air Force 70th anniversary. A United States Air Force, U.S. Air Force, communications satellite was successfully launched by United Launch Alliance from Cape Canaveral, Florida, on March 18. This launch commemorates the 70th anniversary of the U.S. Air Force, said Laura Maginnis, Launch Alliance Vice President of Government Satellite Launch, in a press release. United. According to Florida Today, the 217-foot-tall Wideband Global SATCOM, WGS, satellite was the Air Force's 9th spacecraft launched into orbit. Credit, United Launch Alliance via Storyful.